Hello students, today we are starting chapter number 5, playing with numbers. In previous class you have learned about the natural number, whole number, integers and their property. Now we will discuss more about these numbers. So first thing is here the number in the general form. If you have a 2-digit number AB, so general form of this number is 10A plus B, means we have to write number with its place value. If you have a 3-digit number A, B, C, then its general form will be 100A plus 10B plus C. You can see B is at unit place, so B we will multiply with 1. A is at 10 place, so A we will multiply with 10, and in 3-digit number this A is at 100 place, so we will multiply with 100, B with 10 and C with 1. For example, if you have a 2-digit number 54, the general form of 54 will be 5 into 10 plus 4, or 3-digit number 379, general form will be 3 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 9 into 1. Second thing you will learn here, reversing of 2-digit number. So if you have a 2-digit number and if we reverse that number and then we'll add both the number or we'll subtract both the number, what we will get here. So for example, if we have a 2-digit number AB, then general form of this number will be 10A plus B. If we reverse this number, then reverse number will be BA and the general form of this will be 10B plus A. So this we have the original number and this is the reverse number. So we have two conditions here. If we add these two numbers, in that case 10A plus B and this reverse number is 10B plus A, we will get here 10A plus A 11A and B plus 10B 11B. 11 we can take as common, in bracket we will get A plus B. So we are getting here 11 into sum of these two digits. We will use this property during questions, when we will solve the questions. Second, if we subtract these two numbers, in that case what we will get. So if we subtract 10A plus B minus 10B plus A, remove the bracket, 10A plus B minus 10B minus A. After subtraction we will get here 9A minus 9B. So 9 we can take out common and we'll get A minus B. So here we are getting 9 into difference of digits. Next thing you will learn here, reversing of 3-digit numbers. If we reverse a 3-digit number, that we will get. So if we have a 3-digit number, we can expand it and write it 100A plus 10B plus C, and reverse number will be 100C plus 10B plus A. Always you have to take number in the journal form. Now if we subtract these two numbers, then we will get 100A plus 10B plus C minus 100C plus 10B plus A. For addition we don't have here any property, only for subtraction we are doing. So 100A plus 10B plus C minus 100C minus 10B and minus A. So this 10B will cancel out and we will get here 99A minus 99C. 99 we can take out common and A minus C will be there. So here we have few more condition. First condition, if suppose A is greater than C, then we will take it like this only, 99 A minus C. And if A and C are equal, in that case this thing will become 0. Finally we will get 0 here. And third case, if C is greater than A, in that case we will reverse it, we can write it 99 C minus A. Next property we have changing the order of 3-digit number cyclically. It means if in cyclic order we will change the digit. For example, if we have a number A, B, C, general form will be 100A plus 10B plus C. Another number will be B, C, A. Just this A we are shifting back. So general form of this number will be 100B plus 10C plus A. Then again we can change the order C, A, B. This B we are shifting back. So it will become 100C plus 10A plus B. Now if we add these three numbers, then we will get 100A plus 10B plus C plus 100B plus 10C plus A plus 100C plus 10A plus B. So after addition we will get 111A, 111B, 111C. 111 we can take out common. In bracket we will be having A plus B plus C. This we can write as 3 into 37 also or 111 also. So finally if 3-digit number we will change in cyclic order and then we will add, always we will get this one 111 into the sum of digits. So with the help of this property now we will do the exercise. First question of exercise 5.1, write the following number in journalized form. It means you have to expand and write these number. So 89 we can write as 80 plus 9, or we can write it as 8 into 10 plus 9. Similarly 207 we can write 200 plus 7, or we can write 2 into 100 plus 7. 369 we can write as 300 plus 60 plus 9, or we can write it 3 into 100 plus 6 into 10 plus 9. Next question number 2, write the quotient when the sum of 2-digit number 34 and number obtained by reversing the digit is divided by 11 and second divided by sum of digits. So as we discussed in property, sum of 2-digit number and its reverse number always will be 11 in bracket the sum of digits. So here digits, what are the digits here? Number we have 34. It means digits are 3 and 4. So actually we will get here 11 into 3 plus 4, 11 into 7. So first condition we have when we have to divide it by 11. So in this case quotient will be, we have 11 into 7, and if we divide it by 11 then answer will be 7, sum of digit. Second we have, if we divide it by sum of digits, so 11 into 7, if you divide it by sum of digit is 3 plus 4 7, in that case answer will be 11. Next question number 3, write the quotient when the difference of a 2-digit number 73 and its reverse number is divided by 9 and second difference of the digits. So we know difference of 2-digit number and its reverse number is 9A minus B. So here A and B are 7 and 3. So if we substitute this value here, 9, 7 minus 3, we will get 9 into 4. So now we can check here. First case, when we will divide it by 9, in that case 9 into 4 by 9, answer we will get here 4, difference of the digits. Second case, when we will divide it by difference of the digit, in that case 9 into 4, if we divide by 4, then answer will be 9. Next question number 4, without actual calculation, write quotient when the sum of 3-digit number ABC and the number obtained by changing the order of digits cyclically is divided by first 111, then A plus B plus C, 37 and 3. So as we discussed in property, the sum of 3-digit number and other number which are obtained by changing the order of digits cyclically is 111 A plus B C. a plus b plus c, which we can write as 3 into 37 also. 111 is equal to 3 into 37 in bracket a plus b plus c. So first case we have when we have to divide it by 111. So if this thing we will divide by 111, in that case 111 will cancel out, answer will be a plus b plus c. Second thing, if this thing we will divide with sum of these digits a plus b plus c, in that case this a plus b plus c will cancel out, answer will be 111. Next, third case, if we divide it by 37, so 3 into 37 into a plus b plus c, and if we will divide it by 37, so 37 we can cancel out, answer will be 3 a plus b plus c. And fourth case, if we divide it by 3, in that case 3 will cancel out and remaining will be left over. So answer will be 37 a plus b plus c. Next, question number 5. Write the quotient when the difference of a 3-digit number 843 and number obtained by reversing the digits is divided by 99 and 5. So we discussed in property difference of a 3-digit number and its reverse number is equal to 99 a minus c or c minus a. It depends on the value of a and c. If a is bigger, keep a at first place. If c is bigger, then keep c at first place. So here a, b, c. A is 8, b is 4, c is 3. So 99 8 minus 3, which is equal to 99 into 5. Now first condition, we have to find out the quotient if we divide it by 99. So if this 99 into 5 we will divide with 99, then answer will be 5. Second condition, we have to find out the quotient if we divide it by 5. So 99 into 5, if we divide by 5, then answer will be 99. Next, question number 6. The sum of 2-digit number is 11. If the number obtained by reversing the digit is 9 less than the original number, find the number. So we have taken, let the number is AB. Journal form of that number will be 10A plus B, and the reverse number will be BA. Journal form will be 10B plus A. Now in question 2 conditions are given. First condition is given, sum of these two digits is 11, means A plus B is equal to 11. Second condition is given, if the number obtained by reversing the digit is 9 less than the original number, means original number minus reverse number is equal to 9. So original number we have 10A plus B and reverse number is 10B plus A is equal to 9. So if we expand it, we will remove this bracket, then we will get 9A minus 9B is equal to 9. So 9 we can take out common, and if we shift this 9 another side, we will get A minus B is equal to 9 by 9 is equal to 1. So A minus B is equal to 1. Now we have two equations here. First is this and second is this one. If we add these two equations, then how to add? Add left side to left side and right side to right side. A plus B plus A minus B equal to 11 plus 1. So we'll get B to B will cancel out, 2A is equal to 12. So after shifting this to another side, we will get A value is 6. This A value we can substitute in any one equation, equation 1 or 2. After substituting this A value, we will get B value is equal to 5. So the number will be AB means 65. Next, question number 7. If the difference of 2-digit number and its reverse number is 36, Find the difference between the digits of the two-digit number. As we know from the property, difference of a two-digit number and its reverse number is equal to 9, the difference of digits, and this is given 36 in question. So we can equate both. 9a minus b we can write equal to 36. So 9, if we shift another side, then we will get a minus b is 36 by 9, which is equal to 4. It means the difference of digits is equal to 4. Next, question number 8. If the sum of two-digit number and its reverse number is 55, find the sum of two digits. So we know sum of two-digit number and its reverse number is equal to 11a plus b, and they have given in question this is equal to 55. So we can equate. Therefore 11a plus b is equal to 55. 11 we can shift another side, so a plus b is equal to 55 by 11, which is equal to 5. So we are getting sum of digit is equal to 5. Next, question number 9. If the middle digit of a 3-digit number is 0 and the sum of other two digits is 11, if the number obtained by reversing the digit exceed the original number by 495, find the number. So we have taken here, let the number is ABC. General form will be 100A plus 10B plus C. Then reverse number will be CBA 100C plus 10B plus C. They have given here this middle one, B is 0. In question it is given B is 0 and the sum of other two digits means sum of A and C. A plus C is equal to 11. This is the first condition in question it is given. Next condition it is given, if the number obtained by reversing the digit exceed the original number. It means exceed means this number is greater. Reverse number greater than original number by 495. Now we can substitute here values. Reverse number is 100C plus 10B plus C minus 100A plus 10B minus plus C equal to 495. Now if we remove the bracket, 100C plus 10B plus A minus 100A minus 10B minus C equal to 495. So this 10B will cancel out and we will get 99C minus 99A is equal to 495. 99 we can take out common and we will get C minus A equal to 495. Now this 99 shift another side. C minus A is equal to 495 by 99. Cancel out with 11 table, 11 4 and 5 times, 11 9 times, then 9 5 times. So we are getting here C minus A is equal to 5. This is second equation. Now with the help of these two equations, one condition is given A plus C equal to 11, second condition is given C minus A equal to 5. With the help of these two, we have to find out the value of A and C. So if we add these two equations, then we will add A plus C with C minus A and right side 11 plus 5. Then you can see here A minus A will cancel out, 2C is equal to 16. So the value of C is 8. Now this C value you can substitute in any equation. C is equal to 8 in equation 1. Equation 1 we have A plus C equal to 11. So A plus 8 equal to 11. A is equal to 11 minus 8, 3. Now we have to find out the number. Therefore the number will be, number we have taken A, B, C. A is 3, B was given 0 and C we got 8. So number is 308. Next, question number 10. In a 3-digit number, the unit digit, 10-digit and 100-digit are in the ratio of 1 to 3. If the difference between original number and the reverse number is 594, find the number. So first we have taken, let the number is ABC. They have given here the ratio of 3 digits, unit place, 10 place and 100 place. So unit place is C, 10 place is B and 100 place is A. This ratio is 1:2:3. So first we will take, let digits are C is equal to X, B is equal to 2X and A is equal to 3X. Now according to this, first we will find out the original number and the reverse number. Original number is ABC, general form is 100A plus 10B plus C. Now substitute the values of ABC, 100 into 3X, 10 into 2X and C is X. So we will get here 300X plus 20X plus 1X. After addition we will get 321X. This is the original number. Similarly we will find out the reverse number also. Reverse number is CBA. General form will be 100C plus 10B plus C A. So 100 into X plus 10 into 2X and 3X. After addition we will get 123X. Now in question they have given, if the difference between original number and the reverse number. Original number minus reverse number is equal to 594. This is given in question. So original number is 321, x minus 123x, this is equal to 594, and after subtraction we will get here 198x is equal to 594. Substitute, shift this 198 another side and you can cancel with 11 table, 11 5 4 times, 11 1 and 8 time, and 18 3 ja 54. So x value we got here 3. Now we can find out the digit. Therefore a value is equal to 3x, which is equal to 3 into 3 9, b is equal to 2x 6 and c is equal to x 3. So the number is ABC, means 963. Next question number 11. In a 3-digit number, unit digit is 1 more than the 100 digit and the 10 digit is 1 less than the 100 digit. If the sum of original number and the number obtained by changing the order of digits cyclically is 2664, find the number. So first let the 3-digit number is ABC. First we will take, let 100 digit is x, then 10 digit will be, it's given 10 digit is 1 less than the 100 digit, means x minus 1. And one more is given, unit digit is 1 more than the 100 digit, so unit digit will be x plus 1. So we got unit place, 10th digit and 100 digit. Now next thing they have given, if the sum of original number and the number obtained by changing the order of digits cyclically is 2664, and we know by property number, sum of number, 3-digit number and the numbers obtained by changing the order of digits cyclically is equal to 111 a plus b plus c, and they have given this is equal to 2664. So we can equate it with 2664. Now we can substitute these values. 111, a means at 100 place x is there, b means 10 place x minus 1, and c is unit place means x plus 1, which is equal to 2664. So 1 to 1 will cancel out, we will get 100, and here 3x equal to 2664. We can shift this 111 and 3 another side, it will go for division. We can cancel with 3, 8 times it will go, and with 111 8 times it will go. It means the x value is 8. So 100th digit is 8, then 10th digit is x minus 1, means 8 minus 1, which is equal to 7, and units digit is x plus 1, means 8 plus 1 equal to 9. So the number will be, therefore number is equal to 879. So this exercise has completed. Hope you understood these questions. Thank you for watching this video.